Firstly, let's introduce the composition of the FCI Plus cable identifier. And this one is the transmitter of the identifier. This is the clamp of the transmitter, the receiver of it, and the clamp of the receiver. This is the grounding wire. Okay, we start the operation. Firstly, we insert and connect the grounding wire to protect the instrument. Connect the clamp with the transmitter. Then put the clamp on the near end of the cable. Notice this arrow must point to the direction of the far end for the cable. Connect the receiver clamp with the receiver. Notice the red dot. The next step is to calibrate the signal of the transmitter. We put the clamp of the transmitter on the cable. Clamp it on the 1 or 2 meters to the red clamp we just now used. And notice the arrow to point to the far end of the cable. Press the button to turn on the receiver. Then we choose No if different cable. Now we can see the interface. You can see here is 1X, means the calibration is not yet confirmed. Then press the button. You can see it becomes the question mark. It means need you to confirm to do the calibration now or not. Then press the button to confirm the calibration. You can see it becomes the tick. Long press the button to turn on the instrument. Now we can see the frequency is 982 Hz. It is suitable for the long cable and the cable condition is good. And then press the F. You can see the frequency changes to the 9.82 Hz. It is suitable for short cable and the cable condition is not good, such as for after a long time using, the cable armor is damaged or not as good as before. Now we confirm the receiver is working good or not. We clamp it on the cable. Notice the arrow must point to the far end of the cable. You can see it shows target cable. It means the receiver working normally. Now we come to the identification area. We find many cables. Put the clamp on the cable. We notice the arrow must point to the far end of the cable, just like before. Non-target cable. Target cable means we find the target cable and then we try another. no signal. No signal means non-target cable. If the arrow of the receiver clamp pointing to the wrong direction, not to the far end of the cable, the screen of the receiver will show check the current direction. Now we successfully find the target cable.